Hello, and welcome to another edition of Science Fair. So, basically this week what I got my Science Fair project to do is, the parts just came in yesterday, matter of fact, and what I've done is we got this little guy right here. This is a converter. It converts the AC in, which can kill you, to DC out, which might hurt you a little, but not too much. And then inside this black box, we have a motor encoder, which basically takes the input from the computer via USB here and plugs it into there, and then tells the motor, the DC motor right here, what to do with it, how fast to spin, all that goodness. And here are the red and black wires to actually power the motor. So, I'll put that back up real quick. This box right here plugs into the wall, which then powers this, which then powers the motor. And this motor, it's like super heavy. I mean, it's crazy. So like, I found out that if it spins at really slow speeds, like one rotation every, I don't know, 5 minutes or so, if it spins really slow, because it is a high torque motor, it will produce sound. So I thought that was pretty cool. And I have my little fancy handy dandy tuner right here, and I told the computer via some programming code like to go at like 1 degree every second, and then recorded what tone that played. So then I recorded a whole bunch of tones, and it doesn't make that many tones. I just recorded all the tones that I could find, and then I wrote them down on a little sheet. And then I wrote a fairly extensive Visual Basic project that plays, that every time it will repeat through a loop and actually play a song, if you will. I mean, it's kind of cool. It's fun. I did this all today and stuff. So all you have to do is just run that code and then start the project. And the motor's not very loud because it's a motor. It's a DC brushless. But if I put this close and stop talking, you might be able to hear the little song. So let's see if you can hear that. Okay, I think that works. So basically this little yellow thing right here is a spinning cap, and that spins very so slightly. And underneath that's just the actual spindle. So, through extensive testing this morning, yesterday, and today, I actually got this guy all hooked up and configured the right way, and made him play a song. Something else I did today was, I used the RoboRealm interface via my webcam right here to hold this red shirt, and as I moved it left, the motor would go faster, and as I moved it right, the motor would go slower. So, just working on a different couple things. Hopefully the main goal is to actually get the motor to be able to control the flight of a kite by using the visual sensor on the computer. So, hope that comes one of these days soon. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned.